How's it going, everyone? It is pouring down rain right now, as you can probably hear on the roof. But I'm getting started with milking, and it's kind of an exciting day today because right towards the end of milking, there's a crew showing up, and we're gonna be tearing out all the stalls and mattresses in pen 1 and replacing them with something different. So this morning should be the last time I have to clean off these waterbed mattresses in this pen. Come on. These mattresses are water beds, as you can see. We've had these for probably over 10 years now, and we do like them. Pretty good, they're pretty comfortable. They're a little bit tough to clean off just because it's not a flat surface. The other downside with these is they get a buildup of shavings underneath them, so they're not as comfortable right now, and there needs to be something done about that. The milking's about done. I'm not quite done cleaning up, but the crew showed up now. They're gonna start working on these stalls. I'm gonna grab the skid loader and I guess we're gonna unload their trailer. They have 6 guys. Hopefully they can make quick work of it so don't have to keep the cows out of the pen all day. So they're starting to remove the stalls and beds. They just went down through and sliced the water beds, let the water drain out. And now they're taking the bolts off of those stall dividers. We have a couple chores we need to do, and then we're gonna get back and help them. The water beds are all one piece. And there's just a metal strip down the front of them that's holding them, so he's grinding off the tops of the bolts. So there's actually more shavings in here than I thought. There's about 6 inches at some spots. The waterbeds sound really good and they're not bad. The cows did well on them, but these should be better. So these are from a company called EASYFIX, and they're the ones that make the stall dividers and also these mattresses. And this is a double foam, they call it, so it has a layer of soft foam there underneath a hard rubber. I mean, it feels kind of hard, but it's going to be soft for the cows. They should hold up good, but also be comfortable. They have a brisket board in the front to kind of keep the shavings in and also keep the cows from laying too far front or to the sides. Yeah, these will kind of just fit together the whole way down through. And the one nice thing about these is they're going to be a lot easier to clean than the water beds. They're a flat surface and they're kind of smoother in the back, so you can clean them, because we do that every milking, so that should be really nice. So they're putting the mattresses in first. These are the stall dividers then. They're kind of a poly material, so they have some flex to them. These are going to be a cool thing to see and really should improve the comfort, so I'm kind of excited about these. So we're just about ready to blow bedding in. The cows are kind of rummaging around, but we want to get shavings on there before they lay down. So the company we're buying these from and who's installing them is CK Manufacturing. They install Pennsylvania and around the Northeast. We got a couple cows laying down, but we gotta get shavings in here. So this is group 1, which is older cows. So it'd be our biggest cows. With the steel stalls, they kind of push into them some when they go to stand up or lay down. Every time they stand up, they're just thinking, am I gonna hit that pipe? But now with these stalls, there's a little bit of flex there. They're still sturdy, but they have some give to them. And up here at the top, flexes front a little bit when they go to stand up, and if they hit that, it should improve the comfort quite a bit. We like the beds that we got have these brisket pieces at the front, which will kind of keep the cows laying straighter, keep them back a little bit in the stall. I think these mattresses will be quite a bit more comfortable than the water beds with all that shavings under them building up. They got some good cushion to them, but they're also heavy duty, so I think they'll hold up good. Okay, that project is done. Those guys worked pretty quick, so we're happy. So we've talked to a couple farms that have these stalls in already, and they said they really like them. They'd put them in again, or they're planning to put more in again. We decided to go with it. This is a product that I've been kind of eyeing up for the last number of years, and finally able to make it happen this year. So these stalls come with a 10-year warranty. They say they don't break. They got some flex, but they're really sturdy, strong. So I'm excited to see how the cows do. This group will be the best for the bigger cows. Anytime we have a taller cow, we'll put her in this group, make sure she's with the flexible stalls. So the stalls have been in for a couple hours. I wanted to come back and see how many cows were laying down. Look at that. That's the goal.
Yep, all cows laying down.
So why do we want them laying down?
Well, the cows should be either eating, drinking, or laying down, because they say they make the most milk when they're laying, so you have to have a good, comfortable bed.
Yeah, they say there's like 30% more blood flow that goes to the udder when they're laying down versus standing. Is that right?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, so just that alone makes more milk, but happy cows make more milk in general. So we were a little bit worried if they would lay straight. I mean, we heard that these stalls work, so we weren't too worried about it, but just seeing it in action here, they're laying right. They're not pushing into the stalls. They're not really leaning into them. There's some resistance there to keep them straight, but there's still a little bit of flex for when they get up if they push into them a little. I'll definitely be talking about these more, and we'll see how we like them. Right now it's just the first day, so I can't really say if they're for sure amazing, but it's not really an experiment because we already installed them and paid for these, but we'll see how we like them. If we do like them a lot, we're gonna put more in for sure that group there. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching, guys.